Have you ever wondered what the future of transportation might look like? Today, we traverse our world through familiar modes: cars, buses, trains, and planes. But what if the horizon of tomorrow holds more than we can imagine? Emerging technologies are reshaping our understanding of mobility. Concepts like flying cars are no longer confined to science fiction. They promise a revolution in travel, transforming our cities and our lives. So, how close are we to this future where flying cars are a norm? The concept of flying cars isn't as futuristic as you might think. In fact, it's been in development for quite some time. Let's take a step back in time, shall we? The early 20th century saw the birth of the flying car concept, with innovators dreaming of a future where traffic jams were a thing of the past. It was in the 1930s when the first prototypes started to emerge, albeit with limited success. Fast forward to the 1950s and 60s, the era of space exploration. This period amplified the drive to conquer the skies, leading to the development of more sophisticated flying car models. However, technical limitations and stringent air traffic regulations proved to be significant roadblocks. The dawn of the 21st century brought with it significant advancements in technology. Breakthroughs in lightweight materials, propulsion technology, and computer-aided design have propelled us towards realizing the dream of flying cars. From the early 2000s to now, numerous prototypes have been unveiled, with some even successfully completing test flights. Today, we're at the cutting edge of this technology. Companies worldwide are racing to be the first to launch a commercially viable flying car. It's a thrilling time, filled with anticipation and excitement. As we can see, the journey to develop a functional and safe flying car has been long and complex, but we're closer than ever before. There are several key points to consider when discussing the future of flying cars. Firstly, technological advancements. We're not just talking about the cars themselves, but also the infrastructure needed to support them. We're on the brink of a transportation revolution, where flying cars could become as commonplace as the vehicles we see on the road today. Secondly, we must navigate the regulatory hurdles. Laws and regulations will need to adapt to this new form of transport. Air traffic control, for instance, will need a complete overhaul to manage increased sky traffic. Safety, of course, is paramount. Ensuring the safety of not only the passengers but also those on the ground is a major consideration. Developing reliable and fail-safe systems is crucial to the success of this venture. Lastly, we need to consider the societal impact. The widespread usage of flying cars could dramatically change our lives. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where we can travel vast distances in a fraction of the time. But with progress comes responsibility. Reducing noise pollution, ensuring affordability, and minimizing environmental impact are just a few of the responsibilities we must bear. As we approach this new era of transportation, it's clear that flying cars could bring about dramatic changes to our everyday lives. The future of transportation is undoubtedly exciting, but it's also filled with uncertainty. As we approach the era of flying cars, we must navigate both the opportunities and challenges ahead. This includes perfecting the technology, ensuring safety measures, and creating comprehensive regulations. It's a journey of continuous innovation and adaptation. So, while we may not see flying cars zipping around our skies tomorrow, it's clear that the future of transportation is taking off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI and technology.